Hello guys, today we are going I am going to explain about soil moisture sensor. In this video I am going to explain about the soil moisture sensor with explanation, working and principles, features, specifications and pin configuration, circuit diagram and as well as advantage, disadvantage and its applications. And also I am going to share my Tinkercad circuits and my projects as well as. Let's move it to the soil moisture sensor. What is soil moisture sensor? The soil moisture sensor, as the name, it can detect amount of moisture level in the soil, such as roots of a plant. It is a low touch sensor, and also the sensor is compatible with Arduino and various microcontrollers. And this one is moisture sensor, and this one is module to measure and sense the values. Working principle: it the soil moisture sensor strictly measures the conductivity or resistivity of soils. In this soil moisture sensor, it has two probes to pass the current through the soil. It can read the resistance conductance in the soil. There are two methods in this soil moisture sensor. Less moisture water in the soil results in higher resistance. For example, dry soil. More moisture water level in soil, it results the lesser resistance, and thus the sensor relates moisture content. Features: in this moisture sensor, it can the sensor is only have the power has lower consumption and high sensitivity. The sensitivity should not be confused with accuracy. And another feature is it operating at the low voltage of 5 volt, operates on low current less than 20 milliamps, and the sensor have the weight only 3 grams only. And specifications: the important specification is measuring principle is capability, and also the another important specifications is its sensor operating temperature is -42 plus 60 degrees Celsius. And another important specifications is it's a ma- it is the its resolution is 0.1 degree Celsius, and the power supply required to the moisture level sensor is 5 to 30 VDC. And also another important parameter is it, it the materials to build the soil moisture sensor is thermoplastic material and epoxy resin, and also the electrodes like epoxy glass thickness 200 millimeters. And already I said it the moisture level sensor will have 3 grams of weight only, and this is including the 5-meter cables. It will come approximately 150 grams. The pin configurations: in this pin configurations we have S and plus and minus. This denotes the pin number S is written on its mean signal. That means if in this analog signal, if we give the analog signal as a output, we should calculate the values in decimals or parameters or decimals points. And if we give the output as a digital signal, we have to calculate the value in the form of high and low by using LED or uh, some other components. Where LED is the better is used to indicates the level of the moisture level of the moisture in the soil. This is the hardware we required to build the simple moisture level sensor to detect the soil and the wet waste also. We have Arduino Uno soil moisture sensor, LED, three LEDs, and three-pin dual female jumper wires. And this is the circuits of the soil moisture sensor with interface with Arduino microcontroller Atmega 328P. I'm going to show you the working model in Tinkercad. I did my projects. Here is the soil moisture sensor. We can I use soil moisture sensor and LEDs and jumper wires and Arduino. I have mentioned that PPT. If we if we increasing the soil moisture level, it, the LED will shows the variations. It means it will low moisture and high moisture and medium moisture, average moisture, like that. This is the example for soil moisture sensor in real time. This is the code for soil moisture sensor, which we can interface with the Arduino IDE and run the output. And the main thing is advantage and disadvantage. It have lot of advantage and as well as disadvantage also. The most important advantage is it is so mostly used in crop hills, soil saving water, protecting local water source from rainfall, saving an energy cost, saving and fertilizer cost, and increasing the farmer profitability. And also it have disadvantage also. The depth of the detection is only 37 millimeters, and the working temperature is only 10 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. It has less accuracy only, which means we should use only one soil sensor now. That is not possible to get accurate value. If we connected that soil moisture sensor like in series pattern, we will get little bit more accuracy. At last, applications. This is the most three applications, three field should use this moisture level sensor: lawns, home gardens, and fields and farms. This is very useful to detect the moisture level for the user. And thank you for this. I'm going to finish this video. 1 second. Uh, I did a project in by using this moisture sensor last semesters. That is smart dustbin. I have to show you. Normally normally the smart dustbin is there. We have we will detect that we'll found one extra features. We add one extra features in this Arduino board and to provide a smart dustbin. The extra feature is here is our smart dustbin. Inside we place the soil moisture sensor to detect the wet waste. This main motto is great advantages in this smart dustbin is the soil moisture sensor level indicates its circuits to show the level of the wet waste, and that included in this dustbin. For example, the green light shows the normal, and yellow light warning, and for red light for to dispose the dustbin. It is very useful and implementable last sem, and also we give a solution for this smart dustbin using soil moisture sensor. We will detect the wet waste. If and I'm going to end this video, and thank you.